Senor Bullock.
Thank you, Mr. President. The EU common rules for the internal market for natural gas reiterate the principle according to which more EU interference is going to solve Europe's energy deficiencies and dependencies from external energy sources. New EU definitions and less derogations to member states will, according to this report, lower energy prices and augment regulatory certainty. Well, it hasn't happened yet. Mr. President, it seems quite remarkable, in my opinion, that EU institutions have not yet learnt their lesson. Euroscepticism is rising all over Europe. People ask to be heard. Nevertheless, this House, just like the unelected EU Commission here in Brussels, seems to be living in a parallel reality, far from the poor householder that cannot afford their energy bills. You are willing to sacrifice the needs of ordinary people to achieve a greater, yet highly expensive and unreliable energy goal. I think it is time to put the EU project aside and admit that EU energy legislation has impoverished Europe and its industries and households. Member States should be focusing their agenda and finances on discovering local energy sources. It is time for Europe to become independent from its green-driven agenda. We know renewables are not reliable enough to make Europe free from energy imports. As for my country, Britain, I deeply hope that once outside the European Union, hopefully with a no-deal Brexit, we will be able to scrap EU energy legislation altogether and invest in proper, reliable and affordable energy sources. Thank you.